Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with some products from this Zoo Crew suite. We have the Zany Zoo stamp set, the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper, and we're also going to be using the designer tags dies. I did not purchase the dies with this stamp set, so I don't have the dies to use. However, we're going to be using those, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Exploring in Color Paper Pumpkin Kit for May. You have until May 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards, comes with free stickers, and one of the brand new in colors is going to be the Stampin' Spot, which is Copper Clay. Okay. Next up, we have our host code for April 2023 at Honeybee Stampin' Hive. When you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax, and you use this host code, you're going to be sent 1 package of the brushed brass butterflies for free. Just make sure you use that host code. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are boxes that I have filled with more than $200 in new and used retired Stampin' Up products. It is a medium flat rate USPS box, and I'm having a move-in sale, so I'm only asking $40 each for the boxes, and shipping is included, okay? Because I have to get this stuff out of my house because I am moving to a small craft space because I have to make room for my child. He's coming home, and I have to give up my craft room to give him a room. Okay, so that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get started on our card. So I have here a card base of Lost Lagoon. This is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to burnish that on that score line with our bone folder. I have some basic white here for the inside of our card. And it is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then I have some of the designer series paper. This is, what is this? 4 by 5 1/4. And then we have 4 by 3/4 that we're going to put on the inside of our card. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is get some grid paper. This is a small grid paper that we probably don't even have anymore because I just thought about it. The Stamparatus is gone, so they might have got rid of this. But we're going to use it anyway. I have some Lemon Lime Twist ink here and one of my mini blending brushes, and I am going to just blend on some ink, some color onto this designer series paper. And we're not trying to saturate it too much. I just want to get a little color on there. And we're going to go ahead and do the piece for the inside as well. And that is it for that. Let's move this out of the way, close up our ink so we don't make a mess. Okay, then I have gone ahead and cut out a piece from the die set, this little tag here, and we're going to stamp in Lost Lagoon. What are we stamping from the stamp set? The sentiment, Happy Birthday to You. And I'm going to try to get this on here straight without putting my head in the camera. Oh, but that's okay. I did this earlier so I can have one real close to me so I can see where I was stamping. So we'll use that one. I knew there was a reason I was doing that ahead of time. Okay, so I've gone ahead and got a little piece of petal pink that we're going to put behind this little flower here because I thought it went well with the flowers in the paper. So what am I looking for? Some liquid glue. I'm going to just dab the tiniest bit. Let me get this flowing because I don't want a bunch to come out. Oy, I did it to the side and a bunch came out. Ooh. I just want to dab the tiniest bit of glue back here because that's all we need. And I just punched this out using the Best Label punch, but you can use anything. You don't even have to punch it out. I just did it because it was a good size. And I'm just going to add that to the back, just like that, so we can give our little flower some color. Isn't that cute? Okay, and I went ahead and die cut a piece of designer series paper. I wanted this little hip dancing hippo. She's so cute. I wanted her as my focal point. And what I did were the dies. Let me show you. I took this large die here and die cut this, but then I also placed this on some petal pink cardstock and traced around it and then fussy cut it out so that I can have a layer for this piece. So that's this right here, what I just squirted my glue out on. Because it's just going to be a like a tiny little border for our designer series paper, just to give it some background to stand out. And I'm just trying to add glue in the places that it might not be on the petal pink. Okay, so we're just going to add this on here like this. Ooh, Shauna, I messed up. I was supposed to use this petal pink ribbon from the ribbon duo pack that comes in this suite. Let me see if I can get this in here before. Oh, no. I'm not sure how much I need. I'm trying to go too fast now because I need some on both sides. And I need to get it in before it dries and gets stuck down. I don't think I need that much, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, so we got our ribbon under here. Oh boy. My little, my paper moved on me. Okay, so what I wanted to do was add this. Oh man, I got way too much ribbon, but that's okay. We're just gonna add this on here like this. So let me go ahead and glue this down. I'm just gonna glue this down, and I want it kind of at an angle up here. Okay, and we're going to get some tearing tape. You guys know I love using tearing tape to hold my ribbon down. So I'm just going to get a piece of tearing tape. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this ribbon back a little bit, since I don't need all that I pulled out. I can't believe I got so much. I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking get that ribbon on before it dried, that paper dries. Hopefully this is where I want it. Yeah, that's good. So let's cut this extra off. We might be able to use that little piece on something else one day. If not, oh well. I tried. Oh, this one is not that much on this side, but we're gonna cut that too. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and put our inside pieces together. I know I'm all over the place, right? So we're just gonna glue this down here at the bottom. I'm gonna leave a little bit of white showing. We're gonna cut this off and adhere it to the inside of our card. Okay, now let's go ahead and release the backing on this tearing tape, because it is dual action, double duty, because it's holding the ribbon down, but it's also going to help secure this to the front of our card. Okay, get that all on there. And we're gonna set this right here in the middle, just like that. Close up our glue. We don't want that clogging up again. And I didn't forget about our tag here. We are going to add this right here. We're gonna pop it up. Where are my dimensionals? On some dimensionals. So let's go ahead and add one here and one there. I'm gonna pop that up just like this. And I wanna use the, I'm thinking I might need a third dimensional on there. I'm gonna use the other part of the duo pack, the lemon lime twist ribbon. And I think I'm just gonna tie a bow and add it to the top of where that hole is. I think that's all I want to do. Oh, come on, fingers. It's just a bow. Don't make everything so difficult. There we go. See, you just had to talk to it a little bit. It knows who's boss. Just let it know you mean business. Okay. Now, where are my scissors? We're gonna just cut these tails. Now let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cute. Okay, maybe I should have put my dimensional. Maybe I should put it up right over the hole so that it helped me with sticking the ribbon on. I'm gonna use a glue dot as well though, but that's just extra support. So let's put that here. And I chose this place to put it so I can cover this animal. So you don't see that we have an animal under there. Okay, let me get my glue dots. Again, you guys know I use my glue dots from my paper pumpkin kit. They give us so many, and I don't want to waste them, so they're perfect for everything that you need a glue dot for. So let's go ahead and take that backing off. Get our little ribbon here. And we're just gonna set that right there. And that is it, my friends. Look at that. Super cute. Happy birthday to you. Isn't that cute? Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.